Looking for which dashcam to buy? Then this video is for you. So a lot of people think why we need dashcam and what kind of dashcam we need to use in car. So first thing is the dashcam is necessary for all cars. The main benefit of dashcam is like when you're traveling, right, you can capture the nature and there's a lot of road accident which is happening. So you'll have an evidence and to claim the insurance as well. And the second part is what kind of dashcam. So people ask like I just need a front dashcam or a front with a rear dashcam, 360 dashcam. Someone wanted interior dashcam. So on this video, I'm going to talk to you about what all dashcam which is available in Rscar Premium, from the single dashcam to 360 dashcam. The first dashcam is a mono dashcam which does not come with a display. It will record only front with a full HD and will also record your voice. To retrieve, it has an application where you can just connect with a Wi-Fi and you can retrieve the data. Second one is an S-cam. This also records front, but it has a 4K recording along with GPS, voice recording. As I told in previously, you connect to a Wi-Fi, you can retrieve the data. The third product is a G-cam. It records both front and rear with full HD and it has a live tracking facilities. You can just add a SIM card and you can track your car live. So it has an ADAS function and it will also support up to 256 GB. Fourth is a mirror dashcam. It comes up with a 11.6 touch display with both front and rear recording. Front comes with a 4K and rear comes with a 2K recording. It has an inbuilt battery which will help in 24 hours parking surveillance. It also has a GPS support. So wherever you are going, it will track with latitude and longitude. Once you download the video, it will show you with the road map. The fifth model is a 4-in-1 dashcam which comes up with a both front, rear recording as well as an interior recording. The interior camera comes with an infrared camera, so even on the night vision it will be very clear. And it has a G sensor option as well and a parking guard option. When your car is off, automatically if there is an impact, it starts recording. It has a GPS option as well. Wherever you are going, it will start tracking your car. Once you download the video, it will show you with the route map. So the next model which we are looking is an G8 Pro mirror dashcam. So this comes with an wireless CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, and it will also help you in playing Android, and it has a recording of both front and rear full HD. It comes up with an ADAS function as well and you can track your car live. The next product is an Eagle Eye. This comes with both front and rear with 4K recording and it has a motion sensor. When your car is off, anybody comes, it will automatically starts recording, and it has a G sensor option and it has an inbuilt GPS. The next product is Shield 360. So this comes with the 4 cameras, front, rear, left and right, and it will record completely 360 degree, and also you can track your car live with 360 degree. And it has an ADAS function and it has a GPS function, and you can use it as an Android. And you can download YouTube, Netflix, any other application from the Play Store and you can use it. I think this information was useful. As Rscar Premium, we have covered all the coverage of dashcams. So if you guys think this information was useful and you wanted to purchase this product, please do visit Rscar Premium.